In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your PayPal balance to your bank account. So right now I'm on the PayPal mobile app and you can see my balance here in the top left. There's a big transfer button there, which is the easiest way. You can also go to the Finances tab on the bottom of the screen and see your total PayPal balance and hit the transfer out button. But let's go back to the home screen, just hit this transfer in the top left. And this is going to give us some options here. We can transfer this to PayPal savings, we can transfer it to a bank account, or we can transfer it internationally. I'm going to do transfer to a bank account. I don't want to do the instant transfer because I don't like fees. Let's also change this to $350. Tap done. Select 1 to 3 days and transfer on the bottom of the screen. So there we go, $350 US is on its way to my bank account. Tap done. You can see that in my transaction list now, and my PayPal balance in the top left has changed to $18.51. So there you have it, how to transfer your PayPal balance to your bank account for free, no fees or anything like that. So you can accept money on PayPal and then transfer it to your bank if needed. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.